Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform AI to make a spelling quiz. This is a fantastic tool that automates the entire quiz creation process, saving you tons of time, whether you're a teacher, tutor, or just creating educational content. Let's dive right in and see how this works. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com/AI/quiz-generator. This takes you directly to Jotform's AI-powered quiz generation tool, which is specifically designed to create quizzes quickly and efficiently. Once you arrive at the page, you'll see a text field ready for your input. In that text field, type a clear prompt describing the quiz you want to create. For example, you might write something like, create a spelling quiz for beginner English words with 10 multiple choice questions. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better the AI will understand exactly what you need. After typing your prompt, click the Continue button to move forward. This sends your instructions to the AI so it can begin preparing your quiz. Next, you'll be taken to a customization screen where you can fine-tune the details before the quiz is generated. Here, you can customize the number of questions based on your preferences. If you want more or fewer than the original request, now's the time to adjust that. Below that, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can set the language for your quiz. This ensures the quiz is generated in the language that best suits your audience. Now, focus on the type of questions section. From the available options, select multiple choice. This format works particularly well for spelling quizzes since it allows learners to choose from several options, making it easier to assess their knowledge. Once you've made these selections, click the Generate button. This instructs the AI to create your quiz based on all the parameters you've set. At this point, you'll need to wait a few seconds while the AI processes your request and generates the quiz. The system is working behind the scenes to craft questions, create answer choices, and structure everything according to your specifications. This brief pause is normal, so just give it a moment to complete the task. Once the quiz is ready, click the Customize button to review what the AI has created. This opens up the form builder where you can see all the questions and answers that have been generated. If you spot any questions that need tweaking, simply click on the question you want to edit. Then click the gear icon, which opens the Properties panel for that specific question. In the Properties panel, locate the Field Labels section. Here you can change the question text to better suit your needs or correct any issues. After adjusting the question, navigate to the Options tab. This is where you can modify the multiple choice answers, adding, removing, or rewarding them as necessary to ensure accuracy and clarity. Finally, when you're satisfied with all your edits, click the Preview Form button located at the upper right of the page. This allows you to test the quiz just as your students or users would experience it, ensuring everything functions smoothly before you share it. And that's it. You've successfully created a spelling quiz using Jotform AI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.